Good evening, guys. I'm back with you again. I wanted to just elaborate a little bit on my theory that I put out in my video yesterday, which was try and save your money for when the trend of the silver price reverses. Okay? I'm specifically talking about trend here and being a smart investor, and what I believe a smart investment is one that is not going to lose money. Now let me explain that, because no one ever knows if it's going to lose money or not. You know, who knows? But if I could tell you with 95% certainty that within the next month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, what you buy today is going to be worth less money, would you still buy it? If the answer is yes, then explain to me why, because I don't understand it. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. We're looking at a 10-year chart of the price of silver, okay? From June of 03, which is over here, to June of 2013, which is here. From June of 03 to July of 08, the price of silver was in an uptrend. Now, yes, you had a lot of peaks and valleys. You had dips to buy on, okay? Buying on the dips can happen in an uptrend market. All of 08, pretty much, okay? Not all of 08, 6 months into the year, silver lost money. Now, I'm not talking about it lost money for a week or 2 weeks or a month. It was for several months losing money. And it began a downtrend, okay? When this trend actually forms, we're not talking about, well, the price dipped a little bit today, maybe it'll come back tomorrow. We're talking about a trend. The trend is now bearish, okay? We believe when we wake up in the morning, the price is going to be lower, because that's the trend. That can only happen, you can only build a trend with some evidence, with some factual data, okay? You shouldn't buy the product in a down market. Hold your money. You're not losing value in the dollar, because you're still talking about the price for a product, okay? So hold it. Even if you don't get the bottom, okay? Let's say you miss the bottom and it goes up $2 before the trend, the uptrend forms. It's not going up $2 in a day. It's not going up $2 or $3 in a week. There's time for a trend to form. Then you can start buying again. Start buying again. I'm not saying to not buy ever, okay? But don't spend your money. You can dollar cost average in here, in an uptrending market, okay? This trend has been going on since a few months into 2011, okay? It is a down trend. It has, yes, some peaks and valleys along the way, but the trend is steady. What I'm proposing is that you hold on to your money a little bit. Maybe if you want to buy at these real low levels, get a little bit here, a little bit there. Don't spend the bulk of your money. Wait for this trend to come back around. Here, I'll show it to you a little. Here's an 8-year. Here's a 2-year. You see that this trend is obviously down, okay? Obviously down. Yeah, if you bought in here, you felt great here, but you're talking about, 2 weeks later. We know that the price is coming down. Where it's going to go, I don't know. Are we at the bottom? I don't know. Okay? I don't have any of those answers. But my question to you guys is, even though we know the price is going to end up higher than it is right now, maybe in a year, maybe in 2 years, maybe in 3 years, maybe in 10 years, maybe in 20 years, maybe in 50. Some of you guys say you're never going to let go of it. You're going to hold on to it for your children or your children's children or whoever. And I think that's great. I think that's what should be done. Should we continue to buy when we know? I say no a little loosely, with 95% certainty that in 1 month's time we are going to lose not money, because you don't actually lose money until you sell your product, but you lose value. Your investment loses value. Now, this is specific to investors. If you're a collector, you don't care what it costs. You love the item, you love the silver, you love the metal, whatever it is you love about it, you love the art. This is specifically for investors. Tell me what you guys think about that. Can you dollar cost average in a down trend? And what is the point of it? Save your money. Hold on to that money. Put it in a shoebox for all I care. Wait for the trend to reverse. Then blow it all at once. You'll get more than you ever could have gotten dollar cost averaging. That's my opinion. I don't know any of this to be true. Leave me a thumbs up, because I actually have an opinion and I would like to hear yours. Tell me what you think about what I've shown you here today. This 5-year chart that I was using to prove my point earlier about when you should buy and when you shouldn't buy is also the reason why we should buy, guys. Okay? It's a solid investment, but when do you do it is the question. All right, guys, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're going to keep on putting out some videos. We're going to hit you with the hard-hitting questions. That's probably the hardest hitting question I'll have. And I'll see you guys on the next one.